In this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business, I'm answering a question that I frequently get asked about whether you should use the same content or different content across all of your social media platforms to advertise your business. Roll the bumper! G'day guys, my name is Bruce Garrett. I'm the owner of Gingerbeard Media, and in this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business, I want to answer a question that I frequently get asked by business owners. And the question basically boils down to, if I am trying to market my business across multiple social media platforms, is it okay to use the same content, or should I be using different content on different platforms? And the truth here is it's very much around resources. In all honesty, if you have the content and the ability, the time and resources to market your business differently on different social media networks so that it works to that particular target market, then 100% you should definitely do it. For many of us, myself included, we have a small team, if not one person, to try and market our business. And so it's just not justifiable to spend all that time creating custom content for each of those platforms. Instead, if you are a smaller team and you have limited resources, the better answer is making sure that you've got regular content going out on all of your platforms to some form of schedule with some form of strategy is a lot better than worrying about the fact that you haven't customized your content specifically to that social media platform. Personally, I think there are degrees of customization that you may be able to step up in certain places. So for example, you could provide different crops of video or photo specific to that platform. But it's definitely better to make sure that you've got regular content going out that markets your business instead of worrying about that kind of 20% reach target that you'd like to get to. I think my final piece of justification for doing this is making sure that you're getting value from your content. If you have to take a separate photo for Facebook, for Instagram, for LinkedIn, etc., you're not getting as much value from that content as if you're just using that one photo 4 or 5 times over. So there you have it. I would choose scheduled posts over customized content any day of the week. And if you do have any other questions, I would love to hear from you. As ever, I hope you've enjoyed this episode of How to Shoot Video for Your Business. If you've got any questions or comments, I would love to hear them. And if you're a business owner who's looking to shoot and use video to market your business, then why not consider joining our Facebook group, How to Shoot Video for Your Business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.